morning everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Newville Townhomes dito sa Tanza, Cavite. We have a house and lot package na napaka-affordable. 10% down payment through bank financing. Total contract price, 4,380,000. Yung Block 47 dahil almost sold out na yung property nito because of the superior accessibility. But before we start our house tour, guys, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified for whenever I release the YouTube videos. My name is Ray, a real estate broker and appraiser here in the Philippines. House tour tayo. So this townhouse unit with a lot area of 52 square meters. Then develop area or improve area 90 square meters. So it has 3 bedrooms. This is the model unit. And then the other one, the actual turnover. Napakaganda nito because imagine 10% ang down payment or nasa 430,000 payable for 29 months. Ang monthly nyo ay nasa 13,000 pesos or almost 14,000 pesos. No? Diba? Napakagandang investment. Imagine a flood-free community with modern and massive amenities dito sa loob ng Newville Townhomes. Easy access all the way to Metro Manila via Cavitex, like 30 minutes drive. Alright, so tingnan natin the model house. So you have the car garage over here. And then ganito, no? Pwede nyong gayahin. So you have a bench, then plant boxes, and then bench, and then a plant box. So pwede kayo dito mag-relax, no? Dito sa pinaka-developed area. So the other one, yun yung actual turnover which in a while pupuntahan natin. Okay? Pasok tayo sa loob.
Okay, let's go.
So instead of buying condominium unit, so maganda ito because you have a title, no? You have a title for the land and then tax declaration for the building. This is the living area. So it has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And of course, may space pa sa likod. Pwedeng i-develop as laundry area or al fresco dining once na turn over na yung property, di ba?
Yes.
Right. So, kaunti na lang yung available dito. Kaya if you want na mag-reserve o makapag-acquire ng property dito sa Tanza, Cavite, malapit lang to going to Tagaytay, no? Like mga 40 minutes. Going to Metro Manila, 30 minutes. So, ganun lang siya ka-bilis. Then, ang area ay flood-free. So this is a master planned community at marami na ditong nakatira. No? Pero may mga block na lang tayo dito na for sale na pwede nyo pong ma-acquire, lalo na itong inner unit. Ang total contract price nito ay nasa 4,380,000 pesos. Now, you have the kitchen area over here, right? Plus a shower room, which is over here. This is the shower area. And then, meron kang space sa ilalim ng hagdanan, pwedeng i-develop as storage area. At right now, nandito si Mimi. Ayan. Siya yung magtutour sa inyo dito sa Antel or dito sa Newville. Dahil magkakatabi lang yung project natin. So dahil meron tayong brokerage to, pwede tayong mag-market ng ating project nationwide from Luzon to Jolo. Diba? Ganun ka. Ayan, o Batanes, parang Itbulaga, di ba? Ang galing, no? Alright. Pero since dito kami nakatira sa Tanza, Cavite, nandito kami sa within the vicinity ng aming bahay. Dito kami, guys, malapit lang. Kung mag-inquire kayo at magti-tripping tayo, nandito si Mimi and Sammy na mag-assist sa inyo na inyong reservation at saka yung inyo pong bank financing and then yung inyo pong possession of the property. And right now, ito yung preview or this is very helpful video lalo na kung hindi kayo nakaka-uwi at nasa abroad kayo right now. Shout out po sa ating mga clients dyan na nasa Switzerland. O, di ba? Saan pa? Finland. No, shout out din po yung mga client natin nasa Iran. Ayan. Alright. Okay, then yung mga client natin nasa America. Ayan. Now, dito sa likod, you have the space as laundry area. Ito, dinevelop nila. At least you have the idea. No? Once na turn over yung property and right now, meron ka dito plant boxes, and a counter, of course, additional storage which is over here. Ayan. Meron kang trellis, pwedeng lagyan ng bubong, no, for approval. No, anything na inyo pong ipapasok dito sa loob ng subdivision ay kailangan meron kang permissions or may permit from the office. Now, tingnan natin yung pinaka second floor. So, yung pinaka-hagdanan natin is steel. Right? Ganito yung turnover natin. Then, yung kulay natin dito sa taas ay kulay white. Then, dito sa taas, guys, you have 3 rooms. Okay, so tingnan natin the first room, which is over here. This is the first room, and right now, you have a single bed and then a vanity counter. So, pwede nyo gayahin. So, once na turn over yung property, pwede nyo siyang gagayahin, di ba? Then, the second bedroom, dito sa side na to. Alright, so, tamang-tama kung meron kang 2 anak, ano? Yes, instead na mag-rent, so, mag-purchase na lang ng house and lot, lalo na kung ikaw ay working. Diba? Gamitin natin yung inyong access, yung payslip sa bank financing. Now, dito sa itaas, you have a common bathroom. So, itong common bathroom na to with the access dito sa pinaka master bedroom area. But rest assured, no, bago ang turnover ng ating mga unit, meron tayong punch listing. This is the master bedroom area. So, you have space for the cabinet and then access papunta sa bathroom area. Well, since this is the master bedroom area, maganda because you have a balcony. This is the balcony, guys. And ito yung pinaka-office natin. Dito tayo mag-purchase, dito tayo magsa-sign in of documents, and turn over ng inyo pong susi. Well, dito rin siya gagawin. Diba? Alright. Okay, so this property has a total lot area of 52 square meters. This is a townhouse. And meron tayong available na corner lot. Ang corner lot natin nasa 5.9 to 6 million pesos kasi malaki ang lot area. Pero itong regular lots natin nasa 4,380,000 pesos. Tamang-tama kung magkakapatid. No? Kung magkakapatid na ay maghihiwalay, gusto niyo pong mag-purchase ng property na magkakatabi. Yes, we have 5 lots or 5 units na adjacent, magkakatabi. Right? Ang monthly nito ay 13,000 pesos, 20,000 pesos reservation fee. Ang requirements natin, 2 valid ID, marriage contract, birth certificate, proof of TIN or verified TIN, 3 months latest payslip, proof of billing address, and any proof of income. Alright? So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. So my name is Ray, and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everybody. Alright guys, no? Ayan, as promised, nag-outro na tayo pero titingnan natin yung pinaka-actual turnover because yun talaga ang ating ito-turnover. Expected na ganoon yung ating ito-turnover sa inyo. So, ganito pinaka-actual turnover natin. So, yung ating pinaka-parking is developed na. So, you have space pa here. Pwede kayo maglagay ng bench and plant boxes. Then, pinaka-pinto natin is steel panel. Then, this is the actual turnover. Yan. Floor area or developed area, 90 square meters. And the lot area, 52 square meters. So, you have shower room. Yes, this is the shower area. You have a bidet, water closet, and the wash area. Then, you have straight counter. Ganito na yung pinaka-turnover natin. Maganda na, di ba? Okay. Then, sa likod, ganito ang turnover natin sa likod. Inner or a corner. Floor area is the same. Lot area yung may variation. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Yung kisame natin, ganito na. Alright, so inayos yung pinaka-slab. Malinis. Then, hagdanan natin is steel. Long-lasting. Ayan. Then, sa taas, the landing area. So, you have the first bedroom. And then, yung pinaka-partition natin is a gypsum board. Right? So, yung pinaka-drywall first bedroom, then the second bedroom with provision na siya sa window type air conditioning unit. Then pinaka hallway area, the common bathroom which is here, then with access from the master bedroom area. Right. Then this is the master bedroom area. Pinaka turnover natin for doors, itong is a glass door, pero yung framing natin is aluminum. Then of course you have this is sliding glass doors and additional fixed glass which is here. So tama-tama siyang vacation house, no? Pwede mo siyang paupahan o parentahan. Right, may kisama yan dito. Kumbaga, this is a complete turnover already. So wala siyang bare unit. So dadalhin nyo na lang yung pinakagamit. At the same time, the total contract price is 4,380,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos reservation fee. So we will do Gmeet or Zoom meeting para po sa inyo pong questions or inyong suggestions or yung inyo pong clarification before kayo mag-acquire ng property dito sa Newville Townhomes. And right now, we have few units available. So if you are interested or anyone interested, ang net income dito 96,000 pesos. No? Para ma-approve ka sa bank. Kung 5 years, ang net income, kung kaya po, mga 250,000 pesos for 5 years to pay. Pero the balance po na like hanggang 30 years to pay, ayan, or 25 years to pay, hanggang 96,000 yung pinaka-income requirement dito po sa area ng Newville. Alright, so if you have inquiries or mayroon kayong kamag-anak, kaibigan na gusto niyo pong mag-site ocular, yes, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. God bless everybody.